Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a report from Pearl Diver Credit Company, and whether they'll strike gold or just find a few barnacles remains to be seen. If you enjoy deciphering the financial world, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description below for in-depth discussions. Pearl Diver Credit Company, based in New York, filed a report with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC for short, on July 11, 2025. Let's jump into what this report tells us. Scrolls of report date last event reported. Scroll for this report is called an 8K, which companies file to announce major events. The date of the report and the earliest event reported is July 11, 2025. So something significant happened on that day. This part just checks if the company is also sending out other important messages at the same time, like when they're trying to get shareholders to vote a certain way. In this case, it looks like they are not. Scroll Securities registered pursuant to Section TEF-12BE of the Act. Scroll to now, we see what kind of stocks Pearl Diver has registered. They have common stock, the kind most people can buy, and they also have preferred stock called 8.0% Series A preferred stock, due 2000% Series A preferred stock, due 2000 to New York Stock Exchange. So you can buy and sell them there. This is a question about whether Pearl Diver is a new or emerging company. It's not, so it doesn't get the extra time that new companies sometimes get to follow all the rules. This part is the meat of the report. It's about events that are important for investors to know. Here's the big news from Pearl Diver. The company estimates that its net asset value, or N, per share of common stock was 18.119 as of June 30, 2025. Net asset value is basically what each share would be worth if the company sold all its assets and paid off all its debts. It's a key number for investors. The report is signed by Indramil Basu, the Chief Executive Officer of Pearl Diver Credit Company. This signature means that he is responsible for making sure the information in the report is correct. And now let's put everything together and think about what it means. Pearl Diver Credit Company is telling its investors that as of late June 2025, it estimates that their assets are worth 18.2025. It estimates that their assets are worth 18.2019 per share of common stock. This is useful for investors as they consider selling, buying, or holding the stock. But we do not have enough information on the overall health and details of Pearl Diver to decide if this is a good investment. Of my take on this company, Pearl Diver's direction seems steady, focusing on keeping shareholders informed about their asset values. Potential risks might involve market changes affecting the real asset value, while opportunities could arise from good investment allocations. Overall, Pearl Diver needs to navigate economic conditions carefully. Alright, that's our breakdown of Pearl Diver Credit Company's recent filing. What are your thoughts on their asset value announcement, and what does it mean for the future? Drop your comments below. If you found this insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy to understand corporate analysis. Don't forget to join our Discord community in the description for discussions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.